Hi guys, welcome to the second part of building the suspenders. Today we're gonna assemble it, we're going to stitch it, and then we're going to bevel and burnish. Yeah, we also let the suspender pieces glue overnight, so now we're just gonna assemble it and stitch it, everything he said today. Hey guys, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna have to put this on the edge roller over there, which is like a machine stitch. But the thing is, it's not gonna fit on there because this edge, obviously it's gonna block it from working. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it along the line. See where the lines are? Along the line, all the way down there. So we put a nice clean cut so it doesn't cut into the top of it. Now we trimmed it, and now we're just gonna set up on the sewing machine, and he wanted black stitching. So yeah, let's go. My dad's gonna set this up because I don't know how to do it yet. He's about to teach me, so here we go.
All right, we gotta put that down so I can show you.
Okay. How do I stop recording? So this is why I said we had to trim it earlier, because as you see, if we didn't trim it, then it would hit this edge roller. So we want it to align perfectly through the edge roller. And this versus a traditional hand stitching is very different. This, we like to use it when it's like, maybe an emergency or something.
Or we use it for firefighter stuff. Everything else is hand
for
stitch.
firefighter stuff. But there's only one bad thing about this. It leaves these walking marks on the actual leather. Besides the traditional hand stitching is where, like, you just use it with your hands. Just like it's over here.
Yeah, go over and show.
Here, look, right here.
Go over there. Show.
See, no walking marks on the leather. So it's just simple needle and thread.
And who's the suspenders for?
Oh, those? Oh yeah, that's for my dad. That's also my brother's right there. He's behind the camera.
But you guys are making it for me.
Yeah.
And what's the other benefit of machine stitch versus hand stitching? It has to do with time. Any clues?
Oh yeah. Look how fast he's doing this.
How long did it take so far? Maybe 2 minutes?
Yeah, like 2 minutes.
How long would it take you, Eli, to do this hand stitching? Legit.
Like 3 days. I mean.
So we're able to charge a lot less for machine stitched, right?
Yep.
And get these out to firemen.
Also, the walking marks kind of make it look cool.
It goes away after a while.
It looks cool though. Really cool.
I don't like the way it looks. Watch out, Eli, I'm coming your way.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. We're gonna finish this up, right, boys?
Yep. In Sophie leather, we use sand brown studs because we don't like the snaps, because the snaps break and they're not as flexible and durable as the sand brown studs that stay in and don't break. All right, you just wanna. Oh, it's backwards. Alright guys, so we're gonna rivet it up. We're gonna rivet this up, and my brother's finishing over there with burnishing, beveling. So yeah. There it is. This is why you use sand brown studs, because see, this isn't coming out. There it is, guys. So yep, it's English bridal leather from Wicken and Craig, and these are some very interesting things unique things about our leather. So this back O-ring, it's an O-ring, right? Yeah, an O-ring, it keeps it stable. A lot of guys make it where it's crossed, so this keeps ours straight. Now these over here, these thumb loops, everybody asked about these. So what you can do is when you're relaxing, you can just slide your thumbs through it. Yeah, look, Jeremiah's gonna do it. See, while you're relaxing, slide your thumbs through it. And this is a type of product that will last like your whole firefighter, you know, career, your whole career. So yeah, that's that. And also these are Sutton Brown studs. Sam Brown studs. And yeah.
And what about how we built it with something in between the leather?
Oh yeah. We used a polyester webbing between the leather, as you guys know.
What does that do?
That makes the leather stronger.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah,
Good job, guys.
We have a handwritten note from especially us two.
Anything else? All right, let me get close-up shots. Guys, you did a good job. I appreciate it. I love you. Go have fun. Go have fun.
Bye.
Love you. You gotta say goodbye to everybody.
Oh, bye.
Go back over there and say goodbye.
Bye guys.
Bye, guys.
It was fun with Michelle and I gotta have fun.